What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can live stream from your Chrome browser. So let's get started. So open Chrome browser, it's already open. So I'm just gonna click this button and go to go live. So this is, give it a name. So like I'm just using for anything, I can use anything you want. I'm not gonna be using public. Okay, next. Now down. This place like dark, so you gotta try to make it better. So I'm gonna retake. It's worse. Camera here is fucked up, so but don't mind that. So what you're gonna do now is just go live, and you automatically go live in seconds. You can see I'm live already. You can see the chat button here. You can see my face. You can barely see my face, but yeah, it works. You can see this is the meter for the mic. And if you want to share it, I think this is for sharing it. Then this is for your people that are watching it right now, and this is for the likes. And if you want people to actually watch it right now, don't put it to private. Don't leave it in public. So yeah, that's a great feature in Chrome browser. This feature is only available to Chrome browser at the moment. So sad for people that not using Chrome. But yeah, so that's how you live stream from your Chrome browser. Hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a very big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, share this video and subscribe to get more updates. Major out.